Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create Pocahontas on Dress to Impress. So to do that, I'm just going to remove everything except for the ones I did adjustments on. My Siri just turned on. I got this necklace from the Valentine's collection, 519599. This one. And then the second one, I used this necklace in gray and that same blue that we just had for the necklace. It's this one. For the adjustments, I did position Y 0.53, Z 0.48, rotate the X at 0.65. And then I'm just going to get this outfit and I'm just going to color the first one E6AB53, and then the halter this color in matte F3D FB1, and then that same color again. For the hair, I'm just going to use the straight animated hair in more animated. And then I'm going to add a VIP item, which is this top here. Wait, where are they? This one. And I'm just going to color it this color, DAA24F, for both. And then the last one, I'm going to color it the lightest one, F3D FB1. Then I'm going to add this beaded chain in that same color, light color. For the skirt, we are going to use the Ella skirt here in long toggle off ribbons, and we're going to color it that color here, and then that color. Did I do silk? I don't remember. I'll look at it later at the end. Then I'm just going to add this as well from VIP in that same color in silk. And then I am going to get this item for the armbands. Just select sleeves only. Then you're going to color it this color C65234, and then this 3B1910, and then this B47855. Then I'm going to get the butterfly. Select on finger and head and turn off the mouth. You can also turn off chin if you'd like to, but I want more colors. For the colors, I'm going to use this purple A41EFF, and then this red FF5457, and then this orange. Did I miss anything? Let's go back to my Pocahontas outfit. Oh, the belt. Okay. The belt and this. So I just use this belt here in this color 664A2E, A97A4C, and the same color again. And I also use this one in in this color DAA24F, and then F3DFB1. And that is how you can create Pocahontas on Dress to Impress. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!